Guys, today I want us to talk about a breakout strategy. Those who want to learn how to trade breakout strategy, let's check how we can trade a breakout. A breakout, you first get a, what is this thing? A consolidation. It's gonna be something like this. You're gonna see something like this. Let me go to weekly. This is what you're gonna have, or you're gonna see. It's gonna be a consolidation that's between support and resistance. But to see a breakout yako correctly, you have to go to smaller time frame. Because if you're gonna use a breakout, go higher time frame, at some point you won't have a confirmation. I'm gonna show you why I'm saying you don't have. You might even not get a confirmation. So this one is for, it can be for a downtrend, it can be for a uptrend. So let us check Uguti as a uptrend. How can we trade this one as a breakout strategy? So now we have this consolidation, the price is just bouncing between support and resistance. At some point it won't be even accurate like mine here, right? So let's check what is it that you have to do. Now you have a breakout like this. Expect the market to return back to the consolidation like this. Now if the market return back to the consolidation like this, or let me just remove this one for a minute. I want to put it like this. Okay, fine. As soon as you're gonna have this candlestick, you don't have to jump in and take a trade here. It might be a fake out, because I assume that at some point from like right now you don't even know how to differentiate between a breakout and a fake out. So the best thing that you can do is to wait for the candlestick to close above the what? The consolidation. Here comes the breakout, and then the candlestick close outside. Now you don't have to buy or sell. Wait for the market to retest. You're gonna see something like this. Oh, you're gonna see something like this. Sorry. Now the market will go back to test. Remember, if you have bought my ebook, it is available here on my website. Go and check it. It's called Forex Secret for Beginners. You know that here it says once a support is broken, it becomes a resistant. Here's our support, here's our resistant. So once a resistant is broken, it becomes a what? A support. This is our support. What is it that's gonna happen here? Let's check. The market will go up. This is where you have to buy. This is where you have to buy, and then the market will go up. Same applies here as a downtrend. Let me try to go to H4 and see. Oh, this is perfect. Flip. Where is it? Blah, 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 blah. Let's go back to day to weekly. Flip. Flip. Okay, let's check on daily time frame. I want us to check the buy breakout. At some point you won't have a breakout, a retest, guys. Please pay attention to a breakout. At some point you're not gonna have that breakout. Unfortunately, it's okay. Let me just draw it here. we're looking for a sell, breakout. This is what you're gonna see. This is what you're gonna see. At some point it might be accurate, at some point it won't be accurate. It's not always where you're gonna get something accurate, so please pay attention. Now this is where we're gonna have a breakout. This is what you have to check. Let the market close outside. Let the market close outside. And then if you notice that the market closed outside, don't buy, don't sell. Wait for the confirmation of this retest. Where is the confirmation? This is the confirmation. Once a support is broken, it becomes a resistance. This is what you're gonna see. And if you see something like this, what is it that you have to do? You have to sell. I'm not sure if this one is making sense or this one is not. Make sure. If it's not, make sure, let me know on the comment section. So with a sell breakout, this is what you're gonna see. So I think now it is time for us to go and check it live on our chart to see how it looks like. Okay, this one I used it few weeks back. Let's go to H4. This is support, 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 support. This is the breakout. On the breakout, look at this. I'm gonna take this one to the right hand side. The market turned, you can see it went down. So this one is a bit different. Let's go to 1 hour and check if we do have a breakout and retest same time. No, we don't. So because of we don't have a confirmation immediately after the breakout, we're not gonna consider this one as a breakout strategy. This one is just a breakout without retest. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go and look for a breakout with a retest. Let's check this one on 1 hour. This one we almost got a retest. Unfortunately we did not, of which is also good. Let's go a little bit back. We're gonna get a breakout. A breakout strategy is one thing that you can trade, guys. This one, if you pay attention like this, here is the breakout on a 1 hour time frame. This is where you have a breakout. Hence I said about the support, you may not get something accurate. This is support, support, resistant, 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 resistant. You can see support, support. It did not touch the support. Here is the breakout. Now you have few candlesticks that closed outside what? The resistant. So now from outside the resistant, what is it that you have to do? You have to wait for the confirmation for the price to retest here. After the retest, that's when you're gonna buy. Look at this. You bought the price here, pushing the price all the way up to what? To the previous support that was broken here. Hence you can see now the market is going down, or it went down. Let me put it like that. It went down, right? Let's go back or above here. If we go to 30 minutes time frame and then we go to the right hand side again, oh, there's something I noticed. I'm not sure if Mbonega should just wait. Let me go back to 1 hour. I've seen something like a retest. Let me go back. Oh yeah, here we are supposed to go back. This is where I wanted us to check something. Unfortunately, I can't go back anymore, as you can see, but let's just check any random pair. We're just looking for the breakout. We're just looking for breakout with the retest. Mostly we can get from H4 and 1 hour. Breakouts are always there, guys, are always there. It is wise to learn how to trade breakouts. Hence I said it's not always when you're gonna get something that is accurate. Here is a breakout. Look at this: support, 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 support. Here is the breakout. The price went down, it came back. But this one is a bit different. It's a bit different. So we're gonna look for a breakout strategy that's gonna test immediately. Unfortunately, I can't go back, but this one looks good here. If you check below, I'm gonna repeat this. You're not gonna get a confirmation here. You're not gonna get a confirmation to buy. The only thing that you can do for yourself is to wait for the price to get to this level, and then you push the market up. You won't have a confirmation. Hence I said you have to wait after the breakout for the candlestick to close outside the breakout, right? Yeah, the candlestick closed outside. After that, you can see the red candlestick try to go down as it went down to test what? The breakout. This is where you have to buy. Look at how the market went up. Let's go and look for another one. Let's look for another one. Unfortunately, I don't get one here. I can't. The challenge that I can't go back. That is why we can't see most of the breakouts. Let's check if we do have one here. Well, there's nothing so far. Okay, there's nothing here as well. Let's just go down to the US dollars pair, and then we try to start here on the right hand side, and then we go back. Here we had a breakout strategy. Look at this. This is where your support is. After the support, you know what's gonna happen. The price will shoot all the way down. Remember, I said you must wait for what? For the candlestick to close outside the what? The breakout. You can see here now we are selling, isn't it? The price closed outside, and then after that you have to wait for the price to go back to what? To the broken support that became a resistance. This is where you're gonna sell. This is the first time the market's turning as a what? As a resistance. This is the second time the market is turning as what? As a resistance. Let's go back and check if we do have another retest. Here is another retest, but I wouldn't recommend anyone to take this one. Let's go back. Here is another one. This one is very small. You can see the breakout. Oh, before I continue, remember a breakout is always next to support and resistance. Here is the breakout. The price went down, it closed below, it went back to test the breakout to show that now we are going down. Look at the size of the candlesticks here as the market was going down, and then it went all the way back up. Look at how it went down. The size of the candlestick is now huge, which means, or which says, the buyers, the sellers step in, and they are more than the buyers. Okay, let's go back and see if we do have another one. Remember, not all the pairs or all the breakouts are gonna have the price retesting immediately. At some point you may not get even the retesting candlestick. At some point you might. So you need to observe. You don't have to just jump in. I don't see any here. Here is a breakout, but there's no retest. Let's check the JPY on a 1 hour time frame. Here is another breakout. There's no retest. It was just a breakout going down. That's it. Remember, hence I said, not always you're gonna see a breakout. Let's check gold. I think we are done with gold. After checking gold, we are good. I think you also understand how to trade this breakout strategy. Here you also have a breakout strategy. Now if you pay attention to this one, it is a bit different, but it's the same thing. Here you have a trend line. Remember, I said a trend line works the same as support and resistance. In this situation, this is a confirmation. Remember, what do we have here? We have a trend line, and then we have a support and resistance. This is also a breakout strategy. How or why are we going to consider this one as a breakout strategy? If you go to 30 minutes, this candlestick closed outside, and then this red candlestick went down to test and show that, you know what, I already broke this one. Now I'm gonna test here as a resistor, as a support, and then it went up. That's what happened here. Let's go a little bit back. Remember, before we close, whenever we get a support or a resistance that was broken, and then you price yabuya air retest, how do you trade this? You place a trade yako here. As soon as the price retest izothatha a trade, you place a trade yako here, you put your stop loss below, a price izozikhuphukela. What you need to do is to wait for the price to come back here. If you're gonna say, you know what, now I can see that the market is going up, at this point you start buying, thinking, you know what, the market is not gonna reverse, it's not gonna reverse. The best thing that I can do is to jump in. The next thing, this is what you're gonna see. And if you're gonna jump in at this point, where are you gonna place your stop loss? If you're gonna place your stop loss here, and then this becomes a fake out, then you're gonna have a problem. So always make sure that you wait for the confirmation before you execute. Don't take a trade without checking if the market did a breakout and then it came back. Look at this. This is a perfect breakout. There's no retest. Hence I said it's not always where you're gonna get a retest. Look at this is a breakout. Unfortunately, the market did come to retest, but it did not touch the support. It's gonna be a support this side. Did not touch the support until it came back here, of which is not gonna be considered as a breakout strategy. Yeah, I'm done with this one, guys. I hope you good with this, and if you don't understand, let me know on the comment section.